talking about big boy stuff over here. So we kind of clean up the car. It's there, but I still want to get some more stuff done. I need to get some paint for the seats because I want to repaint them, you know, refresh them. So yeah, let's tackle this real here, because honestly right now I have absolutely everything to get everything buttoned up on the bottom. I hope that everything goes pretty quick and smooth. I guess we're gonna find out, because after that the idea is to remove this guy right here, leave this guy, you know, underneath, and then coming over here, now it's a lot easier to take the intake out and clean up the engine. You know, even if it's like 84,000 miles, still I guarantee it's gonna be some nasty burn up stuff, especially since with this vent valve here. I need to do the same thing for my car, for my GL 450. That one, it seems crazy because you have so much hoses and stuff, and if I screw up, I don't know how to go to work. So yeah, that's why we have this guy here. Right now everything is working. I guess we'll see. Hope that this thing here doesn't just blow up in my face in about, honestly, what, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months, something like that. So we'll see. I still haven't done the board, by the way. Right there, the one I'm gonna, you know, write down how much I bought the car and how much each individual piece cost me. I'm so behind. It's unreal. There's, you know, one way to help me, you know, just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, by the way. So this is the plan. Let's see how hard it's gonna be, because now I can, you know, put my water pump, which I need to show you because I upgraded the water pump. Then I have a brand new thermostat right here, and yeah, these hoses need to start connecting each other and seeing which one goes where, you know, kind of location and stuff, because this bad boy here, yeah, it's a 3-inch pipe. From a 2-inch exit from the turbo, we're jumping to a 3-inch because our our air intake, what you call it? Yeah, the intercooler, there you go, that's the word I'm looking for, because this 3-inch goes directly to the intercooler, and the intercooler has 2 3-inches exit. So yeah, it's gonna be a rocket, because I'm doing rocket science. Yeah, and this thing here, guys, check it. I can't, like, fits like a glove. This is awesome. Okay, let's stop jibber jabbing. Let's get our hands dirty. What about that? Let's do it. So before I actually even start doing some work over there and get the frame, first I got one of these guys. This is for an O2 sensor to put it on the downpipe. Comes with this little guy. It looks like the way how the catalyst converter is made, I believe. I don't know. It's a 90, so yeah. And you see, guys, what I'm talking about? Now I need to disconnect all my O2 sensors because the downpipe is gonna come back down. Put this guy to the second one, and yeah, I'm not a big fan of doing stuff twice, 3 times. But that's why we didn't put our 4-valve. Yeah, the original one. You guys know what I'm talking about. I have brand new screws, and I've got this little boy. It's a Turbo Smart. So the idea is, you know, when we drive and when we release the gas, we're gonna have a sounds, I guess, something like that. Let's put that real quick. Boom, we've got this guy. Now, since we don't have all of that, how about if we just put the water pump? What do you guys think? To get our new pump, because I was waiting for a super long time. Thermostat as well. Can't lie. Cannot lie. I really wanted to see how everything is gonna come together. Slowly but surely. You know, this is getting crazy, but at the same time, I don't know if you guys can tell, this is a super small garage, and yeah, it looks like a mess because parts everywhere, and it's like a Lego type of a thing where you cannot put, you know, you cannot install this part and then install the other part. Everything has an order, so yeah, just to make my life easier, you know. So right here we have one of the things that we splurged with expensive part, I guess you can call it. We have a new water pump, but this one is a graded one. This thing is not plastic, the way how we did the pulley right there. So this one is metal. Hopefully this thing is gonna, you know, long for a long time. But in the same time, actually this thing comes with a lifetime warranty, so yeah, if this pump goes away, I'll return it and get a brand new one, same one. So yeah, paid just shipping. Yeah, I mean, this pump, it's, I believe it's like 350. Once again, I still need to do the board right there. Yeah, I think it's like 350. It's pretty expensive for electrical pump when you know that in some point electrical motor is gonna go bad. So yeah, but that's what BMW went, and that's what we're gonna install, but upgraded one. So let's put this guy into there, plus the thermostat. And this is my son. Okay guys, well, look who came to give us a hand. Say hi, Nikki. Hi. You wanna say hi? You funny boy. So right here we have the thermostat. There we go. I don't know why it didn't came with the bolts, or I guess I should say, I don't know why the pump didn't came with the bolts. Go figure. So this guy right here actually attaches to the pump itself. So as you can see right there, this guy, I believe, goes like that. Maybe like that. And this side, yeah, maybe like that. Guess we're gonna have to find out. My helper is helping me with cleaning the car. Narinig. Whee! Oh, the pedal. Ah! When he's cleaning right now the car, I am gonna show you what's the plan here. So right here we have the pump, and you guys can see what honestly I have left from my old one. So obviously this thing goes like that, seems like it, and then you guys can see this is the old hose, connects like that, and I have to see if I can find another one like that, because I don't know if I have the right one. Hopefully I can find one. Okay, we got the pump in. Now we're gonna reroute this cable right through here, and we're gonna plug it. Okay, there we go. Now, again, right there, you guys know the procedure. Small little detail right there. We are planning not to come back here. That's why we're zip tying everything. Now it's better that way, and at the same time I'm trying to stay away from this area. Yeah, because of the duct, the 3-inch pipe that's gonna come out from there somehow magically. I don't know how. I still haven't figured it out, but I guess we're gonna find out sooner or later. So yeah, okay, we got the pump, we got the cable kinda right there. Okay, we are ready. I still need to get a new clamp here, which is fine. Now next thing should be the subframe, but before we do that, we need to install the little thing. Yeah, right there. So let me drop. It's gonna be real quick. Okay guys, we got downpipe out, and now we're gonna put this little guy. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the final product. This should help me not to get a check engine light on my car. So let's put this bad boy back into his place. We've got everything set and bolt. I believe I need to get this guy tight right there, but other than that, you guys can see everything is coming together. We have the downpipe installed and everything, so yeah, still need to throw the supports, but those are for later. You have that connected right there. So I think it's time to put the subframe. So let's do it. Okay guys, so we've done a lot of progress. Yeah, this cluster over here, yeah, that's gonna be pretty interesting how I'm gonna get the 3-inch out from here and the second 3-inch out from there as well. Get it rerouted. Yeah, this guy there. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. Yep, I'm not gonna quit. I got this pipe for a reason, and it's gonna go into the spot where it's supposed to go. We'll see. Let's see how we're gonna do that. Yeah, this guy here is going out. That guy is coming right here. But you know, before we start pulling all of that, we need to pop the intercooler, the intake. I mean, get the intake out, clean up all of that, put all of that back together, this pipe, and then the fun begins. Thank you so much for smashing the like button. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. And the most important thing, guys, is if I can do it, you guys can do it. So see you on the next one. Ciao.